What is up, everybody? It is I, TG20 here, and today I have some random tutorial I just decided to do. So, this is a tutorial on how to install APKs slash sideload on the Oculus Quest on a Chromebook. This without Linux because, as you'll know, the Oculus Quest is broken on ADB. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna need a few things set up first, though. We're gonna need SideQuest for Linux downloaded and extracted, and able to be ran and stuff. You can run it normally, and then you can not like this, not just going through the folder, but going to XTerm and stuff. You also are going to need Crouton if you're running Ubuntu, so you basically have to download it. I'll link a tutorial in the description. How to do it, you have to follow that tutorial exactly how you need it. And for that to work, you have to have your Chromebook in developer mode by doing escape, refresh, power, control D, and then so forth. That will wipe the computer though. But anyway, if you want to do that and you already have and you already meet these prerequisites, then you're good. Good for you. And you have all that stuff downloaded. Now what you gotta do is you gotta open up XTerm and go to CD and then your SideQuest folder. I have it on my desktop, so I can just CD desktop and then CD SideQuest. I'm typing this with one hand because I'm holding my Oculus headset on my head for the other hand so I can record it and not have to record several segments. And then you're in the SideQuest folder. Now, for that tricky part, if you have any errors, you can just fix those normally. I already fixed those. You have to make sure you make yourself super user, alright? In the folder. Don't add a dash. At the end, just type sudo, and then type in your Ubuntu password. Give it a second, and then you're now your root. And then you type /SideQuest. Can you do this normally? I can't remember. Well, I'm gonna try it normally. Alright, so /SideQuest. Now just so you know, you have to also type --no-sandboxing at the end after that, okay? Yeah, so you have to run it as a super user. So just do that and find that command and then run it, execute it, and stuff like that. Alright? Now, let's just give it a sec. Now, here's what you gotta do, okay? You gotta take your Oculus headset. I have mine on the charger right now. I can just merge it over to the other headset, to the computer itself. What you gotta do is you gotta plug your headset into your Chromebook. Alright? And, and do all the jazz. And once you do, plug your, grant all the access. Alright, so Alright, I already had it to grant the RSSA access, but for any of you guys that haven't done that yet, it will give you a prompt for that, and you have to allow it. Alright, but after you've done that, you can, if you want, you can search for any game on SideQuest, any application, something like that. I don't even know. Let's see. Any example would be, I don't know, Questcraft. That's a good example. You could install it with SideQuest. You could sideload it and stuff like that. But we're not here for that. No. You can skip all these other steps if you want. If you're just gonna sideload it with SideQuest games. But no, we're here to install APKs. All right. So what you gotta do is you gotta download an APK of your favorite app or game. It doesn't have to be VR. All right. It actually doesn't have to be VR. All right. And then what you gotta do is you just gotta find it. So, I can't go in a desktop. It's ridiculous. So we're gonna have to go into my downloads. All right. Scroll down. And in this case, we're going to use a geometry dash. We're going to use my geometry dash mod menu, okay? This mod menu APK for it, yeah. Double click it. And start on the app install. Alright? It really isn't even that. It's more complicated than doing it with a regular old Linux or Windows or Mac, whatever it is, or whatever you use. But see, it's the APK installed okay. So now you gotta go into your apps and you gotta go into unknown sources and you gotta find your game. In this case, it's Geometry Dash. And you gotta give it a sec to start. And look, you have Geometry Dash up. I'm in my account already because I installed it before. Just got it deleted and stuff, you know. And so you have Geometry Dash up. It runs pretty well. I mean, it's an Oculus Quest. Of course, it's gonna run well. But levels, for example, collab level will break sometimes. But see it, and you also, and with that, if you have high refresh rates on, you can also get that sweet FPS. Like I could go into my device settings and set it to use 120 hertz. So I think I have mine at 90 hertz right now. So hold on. Oh, I just changed my texture resolution by accident. Oh crap. No, not really. I didn't change it by accident. I was clicking it. I didn't think it would do that. Oh, let's reset the big 2-day header setting. Now I can't see. Oh. Okay. We're good. 2048. Let's see how to set back to 2048. So I can start to load. But while we're at it, you gotta find where you change your refresh rate and stuff. Oh yeah, see right here, 120 hertz refresh rate. And boom. Now I'm gonna give my Oculus a second to load. And we're up. Okay, we're back in. So I just set my thing to 120 hertz. Alright. I can also set to record at 120 FPS, but I don't want to. So we're gonna open back up Geometry Dash, and yeah, sometimes it does that. It crashes. It's not that big of a deal, you know. It does that. Sometimes it will actually crash while loading. It's not a big deal though. Let's see. Now we go into back to this level. I have that 120 FPS, and it actually works pretty well. But see, Geometry Dash wasn't meant for such high frame rates on mobile, so it will break. But anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy it, please hit that like button. And if you guys did like that video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and peace.